Okay, guys, so I really, first of all, want to thank Bighorn because they sponsored this episode, okay? Second of all, I'm a little nervous because this device that I'm going to show you, literally the hottest thing we've cooked with, this cooks twice as hot. So, to give you an idea, I've got an air fryer that goes up to 700 degrees. This device does 1500. It does more than twice. I am a little nervous. There are some warnings with this. Let's hope everything goes good. Listen to the warnings carefully. Very important. Let's get started and take a look.
Heat, yeah.
You can feel heat?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. Yeah, if it don't light for any reason, close the gas first. Let it air out. And then do it again. What's the temp reading?
It's 97, 98.
Yeah, it's going to be preheated in a few minutes.
Yeah,
It's already
102.
smoking. We're burning off all the warehouse oils and stuff. Okay, so you got the tool. Do you want to demonstrate how not to burn yourself, please? Oh, I thought we'd do the top one down. Yeah, let's bring the top one down.
Bring it down to where?
One level. And if it falls, it falls. Just once again, be careful, everybody. I'd rather food and equipment fall on the ground than anybody getting burned.
You go to the top, not underneath.
Got it.
So come on to the top.
Got it. This is literally a first for the show. You can hear the metal popping because of the heat. So, the goal is this. We're going to put the steak on that top shelf. We're going to cook it for a minute. We're going to flip it. Cook it for a minute. Take it off. Power everything down. And head back to the kitchen.
Temperature check it, right?
Oh yeah, we'll temp it to make sure. But I'm sure it's going to be only a minute on each side. I could feel the heat on my hand on my lap. The one not
like
filming.
90 degrees outside right now too. So
yeah, and it's 90 degrees outside, which doesn't help. But anyway, let's see what happens. We're doing one steak at a time. They literally cook in under 5 minutes each one, so it ain't gonna kill us. Can you see it browning in the top?
It's brown. It's brown on top.
Get too close. Very hot. Oh wow. I can see flames coming off the infrared. This is working good. Guys, my brother's been shopping for one of these. They normally are $1,500. Okay? This is literally, if it's Amazon Prime Day, which it is right now during filming, it's under 200. Yeah, go ahead and flip it. Let's see how it looks. That's good. Yeah. We may flip it again. So let's do another minute on this side. All right, guys. Well, there's the one I'm having. The other one's on the stove resting. This one's resting too. In a few minutes, we're going to cut into this. It looks beautiful. It did a great job.
You're done like this?
Yeah, right in the middle. Hopefully it's not too overcooked. Watch, it looks raw. I was very careful with time because I like my meat rare. That looks good. Looks like it cooked well. Not well done, but well. There you go. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. That is totally perfect. All right, let's give that a taste. Okay, I just filmed the whole ending of my video without hitting record. So let me show you. It's dripping. It's so good. No, it's not bloody. It's dripping. It's rare like I like it. Let's give it a try. See how it came out. Now remember, no seasoning but salt. A light hint of salt. Tastes amazing. Yeah. That's what's for dinner.